Hey guys, so it's Sunday. We're in the middle of an ice storm, snowstorm, freezing rain, all that kinds of stuff here in wonderful Quebec winter. Just thought I'd update you. So I'm leaving the cottage. Sorry, it's super bumpy. Let's see if I can't get you a good. So there we go. I'm leaving the cottage. I've done 1.5 kilometers. We had 80 when I left. So 12.6 right now. So I'm running with no heat on. I preheated before I left. So it's 0 from full charge. Yeah, and there you can see everything's off. So we'll see how we do on our trip back to Montreal today. This is our wonderful weather. It's not that bright. It's kind of like that. So you can see what the roads are like. Snowbanks are freaking huge. Gonna have winter. Have winter. Although I can do without the freezing rain. So I don't know, it's 1 degree Celsius, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Traffic should be very heavy. We've got about 80K to go. And like I said, 79, max 87, and yeah, I'll get back to you when we get to our destination. Sorry about that, I fibbed a bit. 80K to home from the cottage, yes, but I have to go to pick up my kid at the ski hill, so that's 30K from here to his work place, and then from his workplace it's 75K to home. So normally there's a fast charge involved, but we'll see how we do getting to his work with no heat on. I do have the fan on for fog, of course, because these cars fog up pretty quickly and it's freezing rain, so we want to keep the windshield warm so it doesn't freeze up. And so we're on our way. Believe the size of the snowbanks. It's crazy. It's gonna have winter. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the yellow line on the road. And it's foggy. Why is it? It's foggy because it's covered in ice. It's crazy right now. let you go as I get on the highway here, and we'll talk to you soon. So we're 16 kilometers into our trip. See energy used. 60K left, and we're heading on to a minimum of 51. Our climate has changed, so I've been able to turn off the windshield wipers. We're climbing a mountain, so things are getting a little bit more white here, as you can see. Not in the rain, but we'll be coming back down into the rain after I get back from the ski hill. So you can see here on the dash that I've turned the traction control off. It was just crazy trying to get this car to accelerate up hills, and in this type of condition, the traction light was running all the time, and of course when the traction is being limited, you're not able to accelerate. The car just it's kind of like being in limp mode, really. And so yeah, I turned the traction control off to be able to deal with that and be able to get out of people's way. Not that there's anybody out here today. Oh, there's a car. But this is heavy, wet ice and slush on the road. You can barely see the lines. There we are, 27.4 kilometers. So here we are coming into the hill. We'll see if we can make it. Whoa, the ABS just kicked in. See if we can get up the hill. This will take a little bit of a toll on my battery, of course. We got 4 or 5 240 chargers going in here, just in this first parking lot on the other side here. I don't know if I can show them to you. Let's see what we can see. No, you won't be able to see them. But yeah, so they've got 4 or 5 they're Tesla 240 chargers that are going in here that we'll be able to use to charge with. But that won't take place till next summer, till this coming summer. Come on. Oh, there we go. This is what I was telling you guys about. So they've got 3 or 4, 6 stations, and they're Tesla, as you can see, 240s. But they're the CCS, or no, the J1772 chargers, 240, so we can use them. Hey guys, so here we are making it home with 1 kilometer left. Hopefully I've got a place to get parked so that I can charge this. Look at that, we made it. Let's see. obviously that's not right. But anyway, there we go. 1K. Hey guys, just wanted to add to the video there. So we traveled 113.5 kilometers for that last trip, and averaged about 17.6 kilowatts at -1 to +1 temperature. And that's all been reset since it's a full charge.